guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful seashell frame ideas. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is friends. Let's start with me and take a simple frame now. The seashells, glue them gently. Enjoy the process. Let it dry. Your peaceful seashell frame is ready. Decorative frame. Today we will decorate our frame with seashells. First clean your design. Now start drawing shells and slowly mix different shapes and sizes. Shells for extra beautiful. All empty space. Let it dry. Your favorite decorative frame is right and friends. So my next idea is fevers. Gift charging frame. This seashell frame is perfect gift. Take your favorite picture. Now decorate the frame with shells. Glue each shells carefully, make it neat and pretty. Let it dry fully. Now your handmade gift is ready. And friends, so my next idea is weavers. So these are beach star frame. Take a simple frame now, add glue on one side, stick big shells first, then fill small space with small shells. You can also add sand or ball, make it look natural. Let it dry completely. Your beach frame is ready. And dear friends, I have weavers. Change my weavers to weavers. Let's start today. Sorry, next video. And weavers. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so, friends, Allah will see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz. Friends. So please